Hey everyone, okay, so I got my LaLa Land crafts in, and I am not sure, I don't even know what I got. So let's see, this is 2 months worth of LaLa Land, and I think the next one will be here soon. So this one is September, yay, I did it. Oh wow, it's a gray. They're usually a red rubber, so when did they go gray? I don't know. Let's see what it is. It is going to be, oh how cute! It's Marcy with goat. Marcy with goat. You're the goat. Oh my gosh, how cute! And it's got a clothesline. So this is what you're getting. Your total for this is like $49, and you get the dies and the stamp set. Backyard. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? I just don't know when they went gray. So did they go? We'll find out when I open up the next one. So that one's cool. That was the September one. So that's cool. And this one should be October. Oh, it is gray. So did they go to gray now, you guys? I don't even follow. I don't even know anything. I just collect them. At this point, I'm just collecting them. So this one's not as cute, but it's cute, but it's not like my favorite. And it's okay to be honest. Promise, it's okay. It's cute, but not my favorite. It's all I'm saying. Moonscape, spaceship, satellite. I don't know. I think because I don't know. Something about it. It's not speaking to me. Okay. Are you going to fix or not? Did it fix? So anyways, that's this one. Alright guys, so that's 2 months worth. We will talk to you all later. Sorry about the blurriness, but it doesn't like something. Bye.